So the budget has finally landed. We finally know where we stand, and we can hopefully all get back on with buying and selling properties. It's had quite an impact on the market over the last couple of months. There's been a lot of speculation, and as usual, I think very dramatic, a lot of rumours, and actually it's not as bad as we thought. So there's two main changes to be aware of to the property market. So that's rental income tax and council tax, or mansion tax as it's being phrased. So tax on your rental income is going to go up by 2%. So whether you're a higher or a lower tax payer, that's a 2% increase. So not ideal, but I would say manageable. Okay. Council tax, there's going to be a surcharge for properties over £2 million and above. So I think from £2 million, it's going to be £2,500 a year, and it's going to go up to £7,500, depending on how far up that scale you go. We've just done some research. The properties in the UK that are worth over £2 million and above make up just 0.5% of the market. So I don't think the majority of the population has too much to worry about there. What didn't happen, I think there was speculation about stamp duty, rises, reliefs, no change at all to stamp duty, no national insurance change. There was talk of national insurance being added to rental income. That's not happened, but the 2% increase on your rental income as a tax, an income tax, has gone up. So what it means, I suppose, if you're buying or selling, nothing has really changed for the majority of the population, okay? I think we can carry on and get back to doing some business and moving some people into their homes. I'd say talk to your accountant if you're a buy-to-let investor. I think holding properties in limited companies probably becomes a little bit more attractive again, but please do speak to a professional accountant or tax advisor about that. If you're investing, then buy-to-let, it's slightly less attractive from next year once the tax rates kick in, but just by a 2% increase. So, I think over the long term, your capital growth and your rental income, if they're solid investments, should still be worth doing, okay? So to summarise, I think it's a lot worse, we were expecting a lot worse. The uncertainty is over. We can get back to making decisions, and people will be able to buy and sell and put their houses on the market. So if you want to talk about any of the outcome of the budget, or you want to get cracking with a purchase or a listing, then please do get in touch with one of the team at Miller Rose.